Hi, this clip I will introduce Southern Thai food that foreigners can taste it, not too strong. Local Southern food has a distinctive and unique flavor. This is because the southern region used to be the center of maritime trade for merchants from India, China, and Java, resulting in the culture of foreigners, especially South Indians, which is the origin of the use of spices in cooking, has had a great influence. As a result, it has special characteristics that are clearly different from other regions, namely, strong flavor, emphasis on spices, and various types of vegetables called phak no, which are local plants found in the southern region, such as sato, wattle, and acacia shoots, to be eaten as well. To relieve the spicy taste of food, both have medicinal properties as well. The meat used for cooking is mostly sea animals such as mullet, mackerel, sea crab, shrimp, shellfish, which can be found locally. Khua Kling. Southern food menu that many people think of first cannot be avoided, with its strong flavor. Fragrant smell of roasted chili paste. Southern curry paste has a strong flavor. Stir-fried with minced pork. It's fatty, especially when eaten with hot steamed rice. Let me tell you, it's delicious. Khanom Jeen Crab Salad. With the richness of curry paste, stir-fry until fragrant, add coconut milk and season it to get the spiciness. Add crab meat as desired. Is an easy-to-make chili paste menu, which has the aroma of chili powder. Southern curry paste, combined with the saltiness and unique texture of the shrimp skewers. Let me tell you that this is a menu that is not difficult to follow, can be stored to eat for a long time. Eat with steamed rice and hot stir-fry. Let me tell you that they fit together perfectly. Yellow curry, or as people in the central region know it as sour curry, has a similar taste. But it smells good and has a clearer smell. The difference between yellow curry is it will be seasoned with sour lime, tamarind, and turmeric in the yellow curry paste. So it became a menu called yellow curry. The most popular fish used for cooking is sea bass. Stir-fried liang leaves with eggs, which is liang vegetables. It is a versatile local vegetable that is easy to grow and hard to kill. Plus it tastes delicious. You can cook all kinds of food. Some people therefore call it bai liang. It can be said that the local vegetable queen of the south has a mild taste. But eat it with eggs that are stir-fried together. It turned out to be incredibly delicious. Hat Yai fried chicken, but it is sold almost everywhere in Bangkok. Which is the original Hat Yai fried chicken. The skin must be crisp and thin, the taste salty, and the chicken meat inside still juicy. And the signature feature of Hat Yai fried chicken is the fragrant curry paste, eaten with sticky rice. Pad Sator, a famous southern food menu that brings out the unique odor and oiliness stir-fried with meat as you like. Mostly popular is shrimp meat. Some recipes are stir-fried with shrimp paste. The more the fragrance is added. The taste is salty, spicy, and fragrant. Moo Hong, or a menu of pork belly boiled in soy sauce. Sweet and salty taste, it is made from soft pork belly. Let's stew with ingredients that are similar to stew. Stew until the water is absorbed into the meat. Makes it concentrated in every word. Fried sand fish with turmeric, which is fish fried with turmeric, which is a symbol of southern people very well. It makes the fish that is fried with turmeric have a unique aroma. And the menu will be a beautiful bright yellow color. Dye with turmeric. Chicken with turmeric in the southern region is fragrant with various herbs. And the taste is similar to tom yum of the central region. But being from the south, therefore, the turmeric must be promoted. Has a unique fragrance, the taste is sour, salty, spicy. Thank you for watching.